ABML morning update. Cautious mood to prevail as investors await Fed outcome. Global markets. US markets closed on a mixed note on Tuesday as Wall Street looked ahead to this week's interest rate decision from the Federal Reserve. S&P closed flat, slipping only 0.09%, while Dow fell 0.38%. Nasdaq moved opposite, gaining 0.13%. Traders are waiting for the Fed's highly awaited interest rate decision on Wednesday, which will be the last of the year. Markets are betting that the central bank will lower its key overnight lending rate by another quarter percentage point, as it did at its meetings in September and October. Fed funds futures suggest a roughly 87% chance of a decrease, up from under 67% about a month ago, according to CME's FedWatch tool. The anticipation of a cut helped send the Russell 2000 small cap index to a fresh all-time intraday high during Tuesday's session. European shares ended slightly negative on Tuesday as global investors await the US Federal Reserve's monetary policy update. The Pan-European Stock 600 finished Tuesday's session just below the flatline, down 0.04%. Domestic market. Indian equity indices ended on a negative note on December 9th. At close, the Sensex was down 0.51% at 84,666, and the Nifty was also down 0.47% at 25,840. GIFT Nifty trades lower by 26 points at 25,905, signaling a negative start to the trading session. Energy and telecom sectors continue to attract strong foreign inflows in the second half of November, building on momentum from October. Overseas investors invested 4,913 crore rupees in telecom stocks, aided by block deals in Bharti Airtel, and 4,177 crore rupees in oil, gas, and consumable fuels. In total, foreign investors bought shares worth 13,049 crore rupees across 8 sectors during November 16th to 30th. Telecom emerged as the top gainer, while capital goods and consumer durables saw mixed trends. In contrast, FMCG recorded the highest outflows at 2,722 crore rupees in the latter half of the month, taking total November outflows to over 26,000 crore rupees. Automobiles, financial services, and consumer services also witnessed net selling. Analysts said high valuations and sector rotation drove outflows, even as selective buying continued in energy and telecom. Focus for the day. US CPI, US interest rate decision, key corporate developments and policy actions. Tata Power has commissioned the 400 kV Koteshwar-Rishikesh line, enabling evacuation of 1,000 megawatts hydropower from the Tehri-Koteshwar complex and strengthening the North India grid. DGCA has ordered Indigo to cut flights by 10% after operational shortfalls, citing fewer operated flights and aircraft than approved, and has asked the airline to submit a revised schedule by December 10, 2025. Zydus Life Sciences UAE subsidiary, Zydus Life Sciences Global FZE, has partnered with Formycon AG for the exclusive licensing and supply of FYB206, a Keytruda biosimilar in the US and Canada. Swiggy opened its QIP on December 9th at a floor price of 390 rupees and 51 paise per share, following board and shareholder approval to raise up to 10,000 crore rupees. Fund flow. FII sold shares worth 37.60 billion rupees, while DII bought for 62.24 billion rupees.
Investment in securities markets are subjected to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.